Yeah, yeah, yeah. A is for apple, so crunchy and sweet. B is for balloon that floats down the street. C is for cat with a soft little purr. D is for dog with a wagging fur. Come and sing the ABCs. All the letters sing with me. From A to Z we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. E is for elephant, so big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for grapes, a juicy little treat. H is for horse with galloping feet. Come and sing the ABCs. All the letters sing with me. From A to Z we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. I is for igloo, so cold inside. J is for jelly, spread it wide. K is for kite, flying high in the air. L is for lion with a great big flare. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, for the birdies we see. O is for owl, who hoots in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Come and sing the ABCs. All the letters sing with me. From A to Z we'll have some fun, learning letters one by one. U is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining bright in the sky. T is for turtle, slow and shy. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that loves to play. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yo-yo, spin it up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've sung the ABC song, learning letters all day long. Come and sing the ABCs. All the letters A to Z. Learning's fun, we love to say. Let's sing again another day.